Flooring companies lose a lot of time when measuring jobs, building estimates, scheduling installers, and tracking materials using spreadsheets, texts, and paper drawings instead of one system built for project-based installation work. By the end of this, you'll know which software actually fits flooring companies, what features matter most, and how to choose a system based on how you handle residential installs, commercial projects, and retail-to-install workflows. Most flooring businesses need 5 core things from software: accurate measurement and estimating, job scheduling, installer coordination, material tracking, and invoicing that can be sent immediately after installation is complete. Construction and field service software fits best because flooring work depends on precise measurements, fast turnaround, and tight coordination between sales, warehouse, and installation teams. Measurement and estimating is one of the most important features. Flooring jobs depend on square footage, material type, waste factors, and installation complexity, so software that standardizes estimates helps prevent underquoting and margin loss. Material tracking matters just as much. Flooring projects involve rolls, planks, tiles, adhesives, and underlayment, so tracking what is reserved and delivered for each job helps avoid shortages and installation delays. Scheduling is critical because installers often move between multiple job sites in a single week. Software that organizes crews and installation dates helps prevent double booking and last-minute conflicts. Installer coordination is another key feature. Many flooring jobs require multiple installers working in different rooms or phases, so a clear system helps everyone understand what area they are responsible for and when. Job tracking is important because flooring projects often include multiple steps, like demo, prep, installation, and finishing. Software that tracks these stages helps keep the project moving without confusion. Invoicing is a key part of cash flow. The best systems let you send invoices immediately after installation or milestone completion, which helps speed up payment cycles. Mobile access is essential because installers need to view layouts, update job progress, and confirm completed areas directly from the field. Some platforms also include photo documentation, which is useful for showing installation quality, documenting subfloor conditions, and handling customer approvals. When comparing options, the main difference is usually between simple estimating tools and full flooring or construction management platforms. Simple tools are easier to adopt, while full platforms give stronger control over materials, scheduling, and job progress. The right choice depends on how your business is structured. Smaller flooring companies often prioritize fast estimating and scheduling. Larger operations benefit more from material tracking, installer coordination, and multi-phase job management. A practical next step is to look at how often installation delays happen because materials or crews aren't ready at the same time. If that's common, scheduling and material tracking should be your top priority. If this helped you narrow things down, like the video and subscribe for more clear breakdowns of service business software and tools.